What's the meaning of broadscale? Broadscale. Broadscale.
Broadscale. Broadscale. The term broadscale refers to something that is carried out on a large scale or over a wide area, typically involving significant resources and affecting many people or things. In essence, it implies a comprehensive or far-reaching approach to a particular project or undertaking. The results of a broad-scale initiative often have a significant impact, whether positive or negative, on the targeted areas or populations. Such undertakings may involve large-scale development projects, widespread environmental cleanup efforts, or ambitious social programs designed to address complex issues such as poverty or education. Ultimately, the success of a broad-scale project is determined by the extent to which its intended objectives are achieved and its impact on the affected communities.